another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by a wig that I do not have in my collection that I am so excited for. So this is actually from a company that I'm not going to pretend like I know how to pronounce. I have no idea, but I love it. I love what they have. It's actually a first for me for this wig company. I'll leave all the information down below about this wig, including the link from Amazon, so do check that out. So let's just look at this wig. Like I said, she is an ashy platinum blonde, kind of a dirty platinum blonde with a dark root. I would say she is of the probably a very dark brown slash maybe a 2B. She doesn't look super black, which is nice. But look at these waves. Look at these body waves. Oh my gosh, I am thrilled. And what I even like about it has these shorter pieces right here. So it really has a pretty natural kind of flow, like if you just stepped out of the salon. Especially with these waves that I could never recreate if I tried, which is another reason why I love wigs. I can have my dream hair in 1 minute, and it lasts forever. But I really dig the color. I'm really excited about this. I cannot lie to you. Let's talk about the construction of the wig. I did leave the lace on because I'm going to be cutting it off with you. So she has a medium toned lace right here, and then she has a pretty standard 2.5 inch parting. I did add a little bit of powder, face powder to the parting right here, just a little pre-prep if you will. And then as for the construction, she has 2 combs right here on the side. She's got 1 comb right here in the middle. She does not have a comb with the fasteners. She has a medium cap, so she would be large head friendly if you need that, but oh my gosh, a little dream. She is 22 inches long, and she of course is heat resistant as well, up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to modify the curls. And before I forget, she comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I will be using a wig cap that I have from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. Always good to have a lot of wig caps at your disposal at all times. So let's just take a look at the lace for you. So I'm gonna just kind of show you, of course, you know, if you glue her down, she will follow your hairline down here. And then of course, all I would probably do is just kind of course lighten her up just a little bit, but she's got great lace for you to work with gluing her down for your ear parts and your sideburns right here. So that's like pretty easy breezy. A little bit of plucking will go a long way for customizing her, including your parting if you choose. But let's cut this lace off together. Okay, she is like full Victoria's Secret runway. So she's, like I said, at 22 inches, which is accurate. So, which is just above my waist right here. Wow, just loving it. Loving it. Let's kind of play with her parting. As you know, I love to do that I love to switch the parting by just moving the wig cap around. So I'm going to shift it to my usual left eyebrow. Just my favorite. Of course. What I'd probably do is also what I do with a lot of my Amazon wigs, just from them being shipped and whatnot, is So sometimes right in the front they get a little crinkly, like this one just needs a little assistance right here, just to kind of flatten it out just a little bit, or if I just want to keep it up, which is definitely an option. I love it, right like this. Let's switch it to the other side. Of course, she looks fabulous, just like this. Wow, really in love with these tones of this wig. It's like really natural looking. I am just so excited to have this wig, as this is really like one of a kind with the body waves, with these layers and this color. I am literally in love. So excited to share this wig with you. So let me know, as this is a first from this wig company that I've ever experienced, let me know if you have any wigs from this company, or let me know if you have any ashy blonde Victoria's Secret style wigs. I would love to know and see you in them. So definitely check me out on Instagram, a great way for you to inbox me and send me your photos. Remember, it is your right to be as fabulous as you want to be every single day. So if something makes you feel fabulous, go in that direction, do it, and do not look back. Because when you're your best self, you're not only doing yourself a favor, but the entire world a favor. So let's all be fabulous together. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.